Hello everyone. Today we will introduce the input and output subboards of the X100 Pro and demonstrate how to replace them. We will take the X100 Pro 4U as an example. On the back of the X100 Pro, you can see subboards marked in green and blue, while the blue indicates the network port output subboard. The green indicates the video source input subboard. This is the X100 control motherboard, and here is the power supply. Here are three types of input subboards: the 4x2K HDMI 1.4 subboard, the 4x2K DVI subboard. This is the HDMI and DP 4K subboard. Here is the 8-port network output subboard of the X100 Pro. Now let's take a look at how to replace the motherboard. First, remove the control board panel by turning the screws counterclockwise. Insert the new subboard into the slot. Turn the screws clockwise to secure the subboard in place. In the same way, we will replace the output subboard. That concludes today's session. Thank you, everyone.